Hello again. Still September 5th, 2025. And you see the deer staring right at me. There's a lot of deer out here. A lot of deer. Beautiful place. Used to come here for years. You know, the problem with them is that they became too desensitized to us. Too desensitized, and there's a lot of them that, you know, although they're not dangerous animals, they're just getting too close to us. And out this way, they're all in the, they're causing a lot of accidents in the streets, and you know, they're getting too used to us and too close to home and people's houses, and you know, they cause accidents, and you know, and it's a problem. It's a big problem out here. I mean, it's all woods. It's all woods. So yeah, definitely a problem. Yeah, so this is nice. No pavement. Okay. All right. I'm going to take a walk to the ocean, and I shall be back. Okay. All right.